Here's a beauty for the Camaro fans. 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible, clean Carfax, 2-owner car, original miles 20,985. Now, of course, in 2002 had been the 35th anniversary of the Camaro, and this one does have the SS Performance and Appearance package. You're going to be able to see a copy of the window sticker in with the still pics, and I'm going to get into that in a little bit and tell you where to see those. I can tell you a little bit about it. First off, you'd have the SS badging. You're going to have the remote 12-disc changer. You have the leather trimmed bucket seats. This one also has the preferred equipment group, and then SLP Engineering would also have some additional items that would be on the car. One of them would be those ZR1 chrome plated wheels. Of course, the SS badging side and the front. Power underneath the hood, LS1 5.7 liter tried and true V8 automatic with overdrive transmission. And the condition of this car, absolutely beautiful. Take a look at that front fascia, really free of any major nicks, chips, scratches. I mean, it's black. You're gonna find a small imperfection here or there, but overall, this car is clean. Nice shine to that paint. Of course, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC, power top, power windows, power locks, all your modern amenities. Check out the still pictures, and this is where you're going to be able to see that window sticker and a lot of other miscellaneous paraphernalia items as far as paperwork that'll go along with this. The supplemental owner's manual, that type of thing. All those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. In the still pictures, you'll get a good close-up of each of the chrome wheels. Take a look at those, nice shape. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Black paint shows well. Convertible top. We're going to put that up at the end of the video. I'll show you how it functions. I'll show it going up and down. We'll check out the condition of it. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's nothing to hide on this one. This one is well taken care of, and it shows. Again, 2-owner, just shy of 21,000 miles is all. Let's take a look at the rear of the car. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Love the wing and how they styled it on these. Very smooth, nicely done. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Look at how deep that black paint is and the reflection you can see in it. If you like Camaros, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And I can see one little spot our detail guys didn't wipe down. I'm going to spray that off and wipe it down, and we'll come back and I'll show you that after we start it up and take a peek underneath the hood. That's not a imperfection or anything like that in the paint. A little bit of maybe rubbing compound or just really didn't wipe off some wax. We'll get it. All right, interior. Door panels, nice shape. Of course, again, the power windows, power locks, power mirror, power seat over here on the driver's side. Look at the condition of this seat. Looks like it's new. Dark charcoal interior. Steering wheel controls, tilt column, cruise control. And again, that 12 CD changer in the trunk, plus the AM FM CD player with the monsoon stereo. That is the deck in the dash. Ooh, and it sounds good. There it is, 20,985, if you can see that. There you go. Gauge is working, and that was a cold start, as you can see. Nice throaty exhaust note. Take a look at the underside pictures. You're going to see the dual exhaust on it. Dash looks good. Whoops. Stereo working fine. Slip around and back, you gotta hear this. That is a good sounding LS1. All right, let me pause this a second. We're gonna get the hood open. I'm gonna wipe off that front fender. Let's take a little closer look. All right, first off, that little spot on the fender, look at that. Now it looks like a mirror. Wipe that down. I also noticed on the hood, as I was opening it, there were some just little specks of compound. I don't know if those showed up in the original beginning of the video. Those were just little specks of detailing compound. Underside of the hood, nice and clean like the rest of the car. And look at this. Wow. Does not appear that this thing has been driven in inclement weather. Sounds good, looks good underneath there, no surprises. Let me get the tripod set up. I want to show you this convertible top functioning, and we'll check out the condition of that. And then, like I said, Jason will take it for a drive. And convertible top up. Condition is what you'd expect in a car. That's a 2-owner, low mile. Tops, same as the car. Black fabric. No rips, tears, holes. It's not really showing anywhere at all. Glass rear window, electric defog. I would assume it's probably been down more than it's been up. Definitely does not show really anywhere at all. Great condition. Beautiful car, nice and clean. I will show you that top going back down into the storage area also. And then Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I think we all know how this one's gonna drive out. Beautiful 2002 Chevrolet Camaro, SS convertible. Just shy of 21,000 miles is all. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom.
One of 114.
And beyond. New episodes every week. Only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro SS with that raised hood. This is an automatic between the seats, so it's easy to drive. Got what appears to be leather bucket seats, very comfortable. A low mile car, All our gauges are working. The battery's charging over 13 volts. The fuel tank's at a quarter tank. The oil pressure is approximately 55 psi, and the temperature is comfortably at 195. Stereo sounds good.
You know you ain't no Prince Charming.
This is a convertible, and we have the top up today. Beautiful condition, inside and out. It's hard to find anything that shows any kind of wear. If you missed your chance to get a 2002 Camaro in great condition, especially if you're looking for a convertible, check this one out. Brakes nice and smooth. Corners flat, the way a Camaro should. And you want to get up and go, it'll do that too. Sounds great. Find all the pictures of this 2002 Chevy Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.